FreeConvert is a popular online file conversion tool designed to make converting various file types straightforward and accessible. From documents and images to videos and audio files, FreeConvert offers a wide range of conversion options all in one place. The website's interface is clean and simple, which makes it approachable even for beginners. You can start a conversion right away by selecting the type of file you want to convert, uploading it from your device, or even pasting a URL. Once uploaded, you have the option to customize various settings depending on the type of file you are working with. The tool supports a decent number of formats, including MP4, MP3, PDF, DOC, JPG, and many others. It even offers advanced options for compression and resizing, which are useful when dealing with large files. However, the free version of FreeConvert does have some limitations. File size restrictions and ads can be somewhat frustrating, especially if you're working with larger files or converting multiple files at once. Ever got a file you just can't edit? Frustrating, right? Not anymore. Doka Clipper makes editing, converting, and signing effortless in seconds. This and many other useful links you can find in the description. Despite these limitations, the tool generally performs well, and the conversion process is fairly quick. The output quality is usually high, particularly for image and document conversions. However, video conversions can sometimes result in slight quality loss depending on the selected settings. One notable feature is that FreeConvert doesn't require you to sign up to use most of its services, which is a plus for quick, hassle-free conversions. Security is also a concern for some users, especially when dealing with sensitive documents. FreeConvert claims to delete files after a short period to ensure privacy, but it's always a good practice to avoid uploading highly confidential files to any online platform. Overall, FreeConvert is a useful tool for everyday file conversions. It's not perfect, but it does offer a wide array of conversion tools for free. However, if you find yourself converting files frequently or need access to advanced features, you might want to consider upgrading to a premium plan. If you found this review helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more honest reviews like this.